Hello, namaste, and thank you for joining. Before I show anything, I must clarify. English is not my first language, so if I made any mistake or say anything unnecessary, you can correct me in the comment down below. Before I show you the app, I am curious. How are you currently planning your garden decision? Are you gonna use paper, a spreadsheet, or another app, or just plain memory? Type it in the comments down below and let me know.
This is the login screen. Let's just log in. Now this is the dashboard. I won't explain everything here to overwhelm you. So just stick to the basics or the backbone of this system. Let's go to the My Garden. The backbone is very simple. You just create the beds like this here, and then you add plants inside those beds. Click here and then add plants like this. Now, when you add a plant, the system automatically generates the task for you. Let's go to home, to do task. Now see, it has already created a task for the bitter gourd that we just planted. Bitter gourd test task for watering, weeding, fertilizing, transplantation, harvest. Everything is created. Similarly, when we go to the garden calendar, you can see bitter gourd is seated here for the date in the garden bed status. Now, as we go to the dashboard, we can see that these numbers for plants, beds, tasks are created automatically. Tasks are generated for your plantings in the to-do list. They are also seen on today's task in the main dashboard. Then there is recommendation based on the weather, a smart recommendation, a start summer crops, good time for weeding, etc. Even better, you can now go to the bed and click AI Auto Plan. Select your planning mode and generate plan. This will take some time and will simply plan your bed for the season based on current situation and upcoming trends for the temperature, rainfall, and everything based on the weather, historical weather data, and recent predictions on the weather. Okay, let it complete. Waiting. Okay, it's done. Now apply plan. Okay, it's done. Saved. The garden design has been saved successfully. Now by using AI Auto Plan, the system does three things for you. It plan your bed. Now it tracks what you have planted, create a task. What you have planted can be tracked from Garden My Plants. You can track everything here and thus reduce mental load by auto generating the task and everything for you. If something looks confusing, just tell me in the comments below, or if you feel anything unnecessary or you have any doubts, just reach me there or email me at alphatimes@gmail.com for any subsequent query.